look rough, but good morning. Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shakay. I do lifestyle vlogs, so if you're interested, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. So yes, today, as you see, we're gonna be doing my room makeover for the fall and probably like continued vlog, I'm not sure. But yes, so this is what I'm gonna show you what my room looks like right now, and then we will start to, because it's Sunday, so I'm not gonna do, I wasn't here yesterday. I wanted to do it yesterday, but I had girl guide form yesterday, so I'm going to do it today. So yeah, I'm gonna strip my bed in the morning, and then after church I'm going to put on like the fall things, right? So yeah. Alright, so right now this is what my room looks like. It's kind of messy, yeah, so I'm just come out of the bed, so I'm gonna take off the sheet and everybody. I need to spray it with some disinfectant and with the something, yeah. I also, well, these are things to carry to school, so I need to sort out those. I need to fix up my baby them, yeah, and fix up everything. I don't think I'm gonna change this sheet, but I'm gonna definitely change this one because I don't sleep over here. So yeah, just need to tidy up, put away my clothes, yeah. I still have some more clothes I wear yesterday, plus the sheet them I'm gonna need to wash tomorrow. But yeah, that's the room. So let's start stripping the beds.
And I stand up, but I'm a saint, 'cause I'm a winner when I'm covered in grace. Winter, spring, and fall, it's on you I call. You get me through it all. The only one who knows how many times I couldn't get my mind right. Drowning in my tears at night, haunted by the limelight. Ooh. I'm forever your lady, I'll be forever your baby. There ain't no ifs, ands, or maybes. You are, you are, you are.
Hey guys, I'm finally finished with my room. So this is what my bed looks like. With my little pumpkin that I bought in Kellits. Yeah, I think it was like 1,500 or something like that for it, but I love it so. Yeah. Anyways, it's my bed, and then I kept the sheet on this because, as I say, me no use this bed like that. Me just normally just put down my clothes and stuff. But yeah, see how these things pushed up. Yeah, so yeah, I tidied up pretty much everywhere. This is how my dress looks now. Yeah, I changed the layout and stuff. Ooh, this is my sister. She got this. Let me show you the box. Alright, so this is what it looks like. She got it, but she hardly burns candles, so I borrowed for the for fall. So I have that candle out. It's like a little orange, and I put it in this little dish so that I can burn it, and it's like, you know, but I don't know if I'm gonna like the smell because it's like, it smells like orange or a tangerine. Yeah, but we're gonna try it. And then I switched up that, turned around and put it like, because this was on top of this, I never like it, so I need to sort out my business box. I think I'm gonna do a short on that, like me sorting out my business and organizing and stuff. Yeah. Anyways, and then this is the other candle I have. This is my give thanks candle, and I think this is cinnamon or something like that. Yes, it's apple cinnamon, so it's kind of fallish. So yeah, that's my fall room. Yeah, that's gonna be the fall decor for this year. Can't wait to decorate for Christmas. Anyways, I was supposed to upload a vlog today, but then I'm wondering if I want to change like the day I upload. I'm not sure. I don't know, my hair look crazy. It won't wash, and I think I need to do over the front. I'm already pulled it out yet. I can't, but I have come here. Yeah, can't but I've come here. So yeah. Anyways, I am gonna clean up the kitchen and then freshen up and go sleep. Well, I'm going to my bed. I don't know, I'm tired. Can't do nothing tonight for the rest of the night. So I'm gonna just chill, watch movies, something. I don't know yet. Guys, today is October 27th. As meteorologists say, today should be the day that Hurricane Melissa, now at category 5, yeah, should be passing by Jamaica about 2 p.m. are expected to be out of light at 11 or so, them say. It is now 7:20. I just got up out of bed and said, you know, let me get up because I'm gonna cook some breakfast and all of that. Try to see if we can like get some of the things out of the way before the storm gets here. So I've charged pretty much everything I have, but my phone, you know, I was using the phone, so it's at 90. I want to put it back on charge. Yeah, it's fun, I know. Right now I feel like I overcharge my phone because every minute me just, you know, when I want to be prepared so that whenever the light go, your phone there at 100 already. But yeah, charge like fans and stuff. So I have the fan over there, so my mother fan over there, so fan charge. Pretty much I try to charge everything, but yeah, kind of afraid because it's a category 5 hurricane. You know, Barry last year wasn't, I think it was a storm and not a hurricane, I don't remember, but it wasn't a category 5. It wasn't a category 5 hurricane and it did damage. So imagine a category 5. You can already hear the breeze outside, so, and it not reach near, so you know. But yes, I have charged my camera and I've charged my other 2 batteries. Yeah, well, one of them is still charging, but yes, I'm hoping to vlog throughout and, you know, just keep you guys updated as much as I can. I will not be going outside because I'm not stupid to go outside in the hurricane, but you know, like I can open my door if it permits, or even my window if it permits, and show you guys like what's keeping there, and then like the aftermath I might show you guys that after, if I'm able to, you know, go outside and stuff. But just wanted to, you know, this is a way for me to keep interacting and keep not fretting, because we fret, so I don't want to fret about it because it's not like I can do anything about it, so you know, make no sense to fret. So yeah, just wanted to start off this vlog. I know the intro is already long, but yeah, it's gonna be like a chatty vlog. Chill with me throughout the storm. Let's get through this together, guys. You guys are gonna be my comforts, you know. It's pretty much just 1 cup. There's one and like a little bit, so when I put in the water, I'm gonna put in 5 cups and a little bit. Yes, guys, I figure for sure when I put something in the pot. But yes, Harmony is in the pot with the water, and we're gonna wait for it to pressure. Say hi to mommy.
Hi. Coconuts. I have to.
I know my 5 people, she never no left no coconut milk, so she have to go make the milk.
I don't like to do this, you know.
Oh, sure. Poor thing.
That be my so easy after it.
It's
That's the one you
finished.
must say.
Mommy had so. Cha. Alright, guys, it's finished. Mommy had to come and help me out, but you know, we did it. We did it. We did it. Right, mother?
Yes, we did.
Yes. Hey guys, so update time. It is currently 12:20 something, or near 12:30 right now, and it has been raining, it has been breezing, So yeah, I think they said Melissa is supposed to pass by or is supposed to reach the country at 2, so we'll see. But anyways, oh yeah, I think I showed you guys the hominy porridge that I made. Yeah, I'm not a fan of it though, because I don't really like when we drink porridge for a tuna thing. But yes, I enjoyed it. This porridge itself was nice. So yeah, I was just coloring a while ago, and then I remembered I had something to do. I went and did that, and then I went back to color. So I finished my first page of coloring. So this is what it looks like. There it is. There's a Pikachu little picture. So what I did, I printed out some pictures. Can I hear that? Yeah. I printed some pictures. Like, I got them off Pinterest. I downloaded them from Pinterest and printed them, and then I printed them, and then I'm going to color them. So this is one I have to color. Then I have these two. So like, I did them small, so I would have like, I wouldn't take up enough space. And then this is the last one. So yeah, I did the easier one first. Because yeah, I'm gonna need these for when I get bored. So yeah. Alright guys, it is official. It is official. It is now 3:36 and electricity is out. Anyways, so yeah, I was lying down, but then say if light gone now, make a board later. So I'm gonna need to sleep later, and then me and sleep, we don't have a good relationship. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go and do something now, like color stuff what we can do in the light, and then later now I'm gonna go lie down. Yeah, so I decided to start this book. This is The Rise of Quest in Clarendon by my sonny Kaji. So I finished literally a chapter, and it's really interesting actually. So it's a storybook, like a little, what do you call it, like action, not real kind of book. Yeah, it's a story. So yeah, this is my little sonny. If you want your copy, just reach out to me in the comments, and I can, you know, set up the link for you guys to like buy the book. But it's a pretty good book, so I'm gonna finish reading this book. Yeah, because I like me have nothing else to do. So I've been putting off reading the book, and it's a good thing because at least now I have something to do. So yeah, it is now 4 o'clock, I think. Yep, 4 o'clock. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Good morning. It's still hurricaning. This is the front of the yard. It was worse a while ago. It kind of calmed down now, but it's still there. You hear that? Update time, guys. It is now 3:15. It's still breezy. I think Melissa is, I don't even know what she did, but she needs to come out of Jamaica. I don't know what to start to say. She not caused enough damage. Cho. I don't know if I'm not see. Good morning, guys. So it is, well, I've been up for quite some time. I know just like it's up, people. So I woke up this morning, probably, we got out here probably about 7 or earlier. Yeah, probably about 7 o'clock, and we're looking around the place, see what drop down and stuff like that. So yeah, let me show you guys some of this stuff. We actually started to clean up some of the areas around the house, but the rain came down, and then we just came in and said we're gonna eat. But yeah, so this tree here fell down in the road, so basically we can't come out, as in the car can't come out, but the roadway out there it was filled with debris, but we clear it up, we sweep it off the road, so like you could actually pass come up here. So but we still, this one now, it needs like a power saw because it can't chop so easy. But yeah, our light post is hanging on by a thread, and the internet card over the church breakdown. But yeah, mostly trees and stuff like that are down, and the rain is coming back down, guys, so I'm gonna have to go back inside. Hey guys, so guys, it is November 8th, and hold on, I don't know what is your issue and why you just bent and coming into my room. Sure. Alright guys, so sorry if it's too dark. I'm so sorry. I can't turn on any light because yeah, we're still out of electricity. So I still have charge in my camera because I did charge all 3 batteries, and literally been a use off one yet. So I still have the other 2, but I have not been vlogging after the storm left. So I decided today just to pick up the camera and say hi to you guys. So hey, so pretty much the storm, if you guys don't know, it passed us like probably about October 28, 29, they're about 27, 28 I think. Yeah, so right now we are recovering, in recovery mode and such for the storm. As I said, it's November 8th right now, so yeah, it's been a week and well 2 weeks or so. Yeah, is it 2 weeks or 3 weeks after the storm? Yeah. So I went back to school on Monday last week, and so today is Saturday. Went back to school on Monday last week, on Monday, yeah. And then children came in on Thursday. However, we can't open school like fully because there's no electricity still, so yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to like vlog because I miss y'all. I miss y'all so much. Oh, so today I did my hair. I don't know if I can show you guys right now because the sun is setting, so that's why I come way over the sun. I got in on my face. I don't know what is wrong with this lizard. Oh, I'm so bent and coming into my room, and it's annoying me. Oh, can I see my hair? Alright, so I'm gonna show you the hair. I kind of pull it, now pull out the, well, no, I'm just showing it and done. So this is the hairstyle. What I did was to cane roll the front part. Let me zoom up so you can see it a little better. Focus. All right, so this is the hair. I did cane roll the front part, and in the back is actually, what do you call it? No, I don't understand this lizard. This sorry guys, that lizard was kind of annoying me, and we kind of end up dropping on the brake when I stop braking. But yeah, let's get back to me showing you the hair, because like them keep on trying to come in the room, but sometimes I need the light, sometimes I need the air because there's no electricity, no fan, no lights. So yeah, anyway, so this is the hair. Feel like what I never pull out. So basically, as I said, the front is cane roll, yeah, and I like these little, you know, when I have a little tooth in my front, so, and I added in some of these little clips, and then the back is actually crocheted. So these braids I did like from a long time ago. You guys probably know these ones. I hardly use the black because I prefer the color, but yeah. And so this is the back. Don't know if you guys are seeing it properly. So I don't know if I put them in properly or if it going good or what, but I like it from the front. So yeah, this is the hairstyle that I did. Yeah, so I did my hair today, and then after I did my hair I was like, let me just do my eyebrows. So I did my eyebrows, and then I was giving myself like a facial and stuff because it's been a while I took, oh, it's raining. It's been a while I took care of my face and stuff, so I decided I'm just gonna, you know, just do the facial. So I was doing my face, and I feel good. And I also have make me know my shot will leave. I miss you guys, and I pretty much have nothing else to do, so might as well my vlog. So tomorrow I have a exam to do, Sunday school exam, so I was studying for that after I finish my hair. I'm gonna study again later to my rest my brain, and then I'll study again later. By the way, I don't know when I get these vlogs because as I said, there's no electricity, so I have nothing like to edit on. But I'm gonna edit on my phone, and right now my phone they're probably about 10%. Yeah. But yeah, I might next time I charge it, I might just edit it, because right now we don't even have service like that right now because the service keeps dropping. So they just what are y'all doing? Even flow, like what's up with y'all? I don't know. And I need help because we need to get in touch with the people around me. But already not in a light, so already not have nothing else to do. We need the light, we need the you know, we need the services. So yeah, wherever, like at my home, we pretty much only can, when this service is interrupted, we can probably go in on the back veranda sometime and get, you know, get through. And then over the church, we can walk over the church and probably get it as well sometime. Because yesterday when me and my sister went, it wasn't picking up over there. Hers was not picking up, and then mine was picking up with a child load show. So I had to just come back and say, alright, we could try again on the veranda, and it did work. So yeah. Good morning, guys. So I'm ready for church. Well, today I'm not necessarily going to church. I'm going to do my Sunday school exam. I think I was telling you guys about it yesterday, so I'm ready. Yeah, so this is what I'm wearing to church today. It's just a black and white dress, one that I don't need to iron. Yeah, just did my skincare, and now I didn't need to eat some breakfast, but I'm late. But I need to eat, so I think I'm gonna catch up on my hair though. Like, I'll let it out tomorrow for work. But for today, I think I'm gonna catch it up because exam. So, oh well.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.